This is my mobile number. Mostly you have seen on the chat I have sent. This is 9880 700 477. If you are not part of my financial fitness group where I regularly send WhatsApp message, you can send me WhatsApp message on this number. I will send you the link of the WhatsApp group. If you want to join my WhatsApp group, you can send a WhatsApp message on this number. I'll send you the link to join my WhatsApp group, and then you can join the WhatsApp group. So you will get updated whenever I am doing the next webinar or so. I'll post in the group so that you can join the next webinars and all. Okay, so let's proceed. I hope everyone has returned. So we'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes more. If someone has any more questions, they can ask before. Sometimes people are getting late. So whatever we have covered, if someone wants to ask any question, I'll take 2 more questions and then we'll go ahead. CAGR, what you want to know about CAGR? Abir, ये थोड़ा elaborate करेंगे? What do you want to understand CAGR? CAGR is nothing but CAGR मतलब it's like returns year over year. Let's say if I get 30% on something this year, let's say if I put on FD, so FD, let's say I put 1 lakh rupees, so I got 10,000 rupees, 10% on that. Then next year 1 lakh 10,000 I put in the FD, so I'll get 10%, that is 11,000. So I next year my profit plus base will be 121. So every year my capital is increasing by 10%. That is what is CAGR. Right? Year over year consistently how much? So if you say CAGR of 30%, if someone says I am growing my money by CAGR of 30%, that means every year on his capital, he is increasing his money by 30% and adding it back to capital, again growing by 30%, like that. Okay. Yeah, Isha, there will be schedule. If you are in the group, I'll be scheduling more webinars like this going forward. Okay. Good ROC, ROE percent is around 10 to 15% is good for consistency. 10% is very good. Okay, so I'm not covering. You're going to cover basic term. What is a stock, share, bank nifty? Should I have this knowledge in prior manner? No, not needed. We will cover. Like basically, I'm trying to cover more interesting part. Then we'll cover more coming days. Annual return. Indrajit, we should see for the annual results. यही आपका question है. You have raised your hand. So this was what is your question? We should consider annual results. That is good enough for us. Okay. ROC and ROE is different, is more than 2%. 2% is very less. It should be at least more than 10 to 15%. If they're different, that is okay. Consistency, 10% consistent year over year, बढ़िया है, बहुत बढ़िया है. Okay, so let's begin. I think more or less everyone is back. So let's start. Okay, so can I have yes from all of you, permission from all of you to start the technical analysis? What is the technical analysis? Very, very interesting topic. Very, very like more than balance sheet. कोई कितना भी झूठ बोले balance sheet पे, but the chart will tell you the truth. Like we have heard the वो क्या Snow White का कोई some stories there ना, fairy tale, mirror mirror on the wall, who is most beautiful of the all. So she will ask the mirror. Same way the charts will tell the truth. So we have to look at the charts and find out what is the truth, what is happening in the market. Charts will not lie, mostly not lie if you know their language. तो चार्ट्स को समझना बहुत जरूरी है। चार्ट्स हमसे झूठ बोल नहीं सकते। हम अगर चार्ट्स को पढ़ेंगे तो हमें क्या सच्चाई है वो एकदम क्लियर कट समझ में आएगी, क्या होने वाला है, हमको किसी से पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर हम चार्ट्स को पढ़ना सीख जाएंगे, जो कि हम काफी हद तक सीख जाएंगे 1 घंटे के बाद, उसके बाद उसको डेवलप कैसे करना है, दैट आई ऑल्सो आई विल गाइड। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। How to determine entry and exit in the stock. So when to buy, when to sell, what is the right time to buy, right time to sell, not the perfect time, approximately right time. So 6 rules of financial freedom. One is you should have a consistent desire to create wealth. If you want to really earn in stock market, ये सीजनल नहीं होना चाहिए कि आज वेबिनार अटेंड किया है, सैटरडे को संडे को फोड़ देंगे पूरा एनालिसिस, मंडे से अगेन यू हैव गॉन डाउन, यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन एनालिसिस. सो कंसिस्टेंसी इन योर अप्रोच is also very very important. So consistency in your approach is very very important. Today you are attending webinar, keep that consistency through and through. So you should have a strong desire to create wealth and work towards it. Like what I have discussed, like green energy, you can identify 20 companies, right, which where you can invest and create wealth, and then you can invest basis the signals from the chart. Technical analysis is required. Risk management, don't put your entire wealth, everything, don't sell, घर बार गिरवी रख के invest नहीं करना है. We have to invest only which we can tolerate. Okay, people invest heavily, they are not able to tolerate the fluctuations in the market and they're then psychologically depressed. So ऐसा मत करो. Invest what you can tolerate, that's it. If you are unable to tolerate, don't invest. Money management, risk management, position sizing है, managing self and trading psychology. So it is more important, very very important. Trading psychology is very very important. So know what start. Okay, so this I will cover later. So the important point here is everyone knows that Indian stock market opens at 9:15 in the morning, and the price of the share will on the weekday, and the price of the share will go up and down, and it has a closing price in the afternoon 3:30. More or less everyone is aware. Few people I understand they are not aware, but in general, even if you are a beginner, you understand this, that the stock market will open at 9:15. People will start trading, they'll put orders, someone will buy, someone will sell, and the price will fluctuate in the day, and in 3:30 the markets will close. So whatever is the last traded price closing price will come, right? Can I have yes from all of you if you are knowing this much? कि market opens 9:15, 3:30, trading होता है, buy and sell during this period. Okay. So what happens is a lot of data is generated, right? There is a lot of price, at what price the share closed, that data is generated. Every day the price will open, it will go high, it will go close, and then it will close. So every day the data is generated. Now to do technical analysis and to understand when to buy and when to sell, everyone should be at least 8th pass, I think. The qualification to do technical analysis is at least 8th standard pass होना चाहिए आदमी, तभी technical analysis सीख सकता है. वैसे सीख सकता है, but थोड़ा आसानी होगा. If you are 8th pass, then everyone will be, it will be easy. So how many of you have not cleared their 8th standard? Can I have yes if you are not passed 8th or something like that? सबने 8वीं पास किया हुआ है, 8th standard everyone has passed, right? Sure, लॉक कर दिया जाए. Can I lock? Everyone has cleared their 8th standard in their school. परसेंटेज फर्क नहीं पड़ता, पास होना चाहिए बस, 8th standard पास होना चाहिए, दैट्स आवर रिक्वायरमेंट. ओके, नाउ ओनली 3 आर सेइंग यस, मतलब बाकी सब डाउट में है. सर्टिफिकेट देख रहे हैं 8th वगैरह का क्या है नहीं है, मैं कैसे पास हुआ. और कॉलिंग मदर, ओके मम्मा आर यू श्योर मैंने 8th पास कर लिया था. ओके, Now, okay. Now, how many of you remember drawing this when we are below 8? I think उसके पहले 8 के पहले ही हो जाता है graph. So we were given table कि इतना let's say some price of some, let's say mango in January was this, February was this, March was this, April was this, May, June, plot a graph, and then you will mark a dot like here. This 100, okay, you will say January, then 100. So you will match 100, January, एक dot मारा, February, फिर dot मारा, फिर ये, how many of you have drawn in your childhood? Say yes. ये बहुत जरूरी है. If you have not drawn this and if you ये पेपर skip किया था, वैसे तभी passing होती नहीं है इसके बगैर. But if you have drawn in childhood, if you went through that blue color, red color graph paper, and then if you have drawn, type yes. And if you have done this, then you can learn technical analysis very easily. Okay, so just as a refresher, बहुत पहले पढ़ा था हमने, अब चूंकि हम फिर से इसको पढ़ रहे हैं, तो just to refresh your minds, this is called a line chart. Okay, line chart means we have a data 10, 100, 150, 200, 300, 400. I know many of you have forgotten what this chart used to be called. This chart is a line chart. Okay, so this is x-axis, y-axis. Don't worry about the axis, and we plot the points and then we join it with a line. So the price graph, it will become a line chart. Now, this is very important, and in stock market what happens is at the end of the day, okay, I'll show you that. Let's first understand why we have to learn this line chart. Okay. Now the first important point is line chart. Okay, so can you see my slides? You can see the slide, right? In this, can you see a picture of a jungle or a forest area or a lot of trees? Can you see a picture? Type yes. Can you see picture of a desert picture? Can you see a picture of a city with buildings and all? And can you see a picture of highway? Correct? Now you must be thinking, यार ये क्या मजाक है, मतलब हम stock market सीखने आए हैं and this fellow is showing picture of forest, desert, ये वो. Now I am trying to drive a important, very, very important point. If I don't ask you a question and let's say delete all three, and in reverse, if I would say, okay, what is this picture about? You will say forest. Simple, है ना? बहुत रॉकेट है, ठीक है, पिक्चर देखिए फॉरेस्ट. हाँ, कितना फ्लैश ऑफ सेकंड, राइट? It took us a flash of second to identify that it is a forest. Now let's say if I show you this picture, desert. You see the picture, desert, है ना? रेगिस्तान, हिंदी में कोई बोलेगा रेगिस्तान. In their language they'll say something. The point I am trying to drive, and this is very, very important. Very, very important for learning technical analysis. Okay. Why it is very, very important is, why we are learning technical analysis is because we are changing the data into a picture. ठीक है? अब आप इसको देखो, ये चार्ट को देखो. Now if you look at the chart, what is happening is, this is the data here, month and price. If you see the picture, by looking at the picture, you will get a inference that the price of whatever we are calculating is going month over month. एक बीच में glitch आया था, but ये ऊपर गया था. So within flash of a second, if you are looking at the chart, this picture, you can make that inference. How many of you agree? Correct? So I'll repeat again for everyone's understanding and repetition of my point. A picture is very easy to identify कि क्या है ये, what is happening, right? What is this thing? This is forest, desert, city, highway. A picture, as a human being, we can identify very easily. Chart is a picture of what is happening in market. If you learn to identify this picture, then you can understand what is happening in the market. So that's why technical analysis is analysis of a picture. Whatever is happening, this price action will form. ये price action है, price ऊपर गया है, नीचे आया है. This is called price action. Price action will form a picture, a photograph. You have to learn how to identify, to interpret that photograph. Okay, clear? Everyone clear? Yes. Now, in stock market, nothing has changed for last 1,000 of years. The stock market, in form of commodity market, it is there for last 1,000 years or more. Maybe from the day the currency was formed, the stock market is there. The trading has been going on. So nothing has changed for last 1,000 years, and I'm assuring you, nothing will change in next 100 years till the time we are trading. AI आने दो, कुछ भी आने दो. Ultimately, it will be reflecting on the chart. So nothing will change in the stock market per se. So what is new in the stock market? What is new in the stock market is the people like you and me who come. तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? नहीं, we are more intelligent than the people who were there 50 years ago. We have more technology, this, that, blah, blah, blah. So what is new in the stock market is new generation coming in the stock market, thinking they are very smart. Thinking, हम भी जब आए थे तब हम भी स्मार्ट समझते थे अपने आप को, नहीं हम बहुत स्मार्ट है, we are very smart. 20 years ago they didn't had this technology, they didn't had this phone, they didn't had this data, blah blah blah. हम तो मार्केट फोड़ के रख देंगे और हमारे पास सब कुछ है. कुछ नहीं है. The market is same for 1,000 years. It will remain for 1,000 years. Only people are changing, and the method of earning money and fooling people will remain same. What is constant in the new people are coming. Every person, whether he is born today, yesterday, 300 years ago, or a person born 50 years from now, greed, fear, vice, virtue, manipulation, articulation, everything will be same. आपको लगता है human beings have evolved in this features, like this, all qualities of human being: greed, fear, getting manipulated, manipulating others, pressurizing others, helping others. Is it changing by every generation, or it is almost same? Almost same. It may change the form of execution. कल को लोग फोन करके वो ट्रेन में ठगी करते थे, आके आपको कहते थे ये लीजिए, वो लीजिए, ऐसा हो जाएगा, वो ऐसा है, वैसा ट्रेन. फोन आए, फोन पे ठगी कर रहे हैं. व्हाट्सएप आए, व्हाट्सएप पे ठगी हो रही है. लोग, people are getting manipulated. There are manipulators. They are changing the ways, but the basis of entire manipulation is same. People are same greed, same fear. One who is manipulating, he is creating greed and fear. The person who is getting manipulated is also having greed and fear, so he is getting manipulated. People are in trouble. When you see on the road, if there is some accident, so those who want to help, you will see people to rush. So they are having good quality. Doesn't matter. आज accident हुआ, आज से 15 दिन बाद होगा. If someone is trouble, people will rush because that good quality suddenly comes out. अरे problem में है, everyone will rush. So that quality will also not change over the period. So you will find people who are rushing, people who are watching, who are people who are walking out. कि यार मेरे को नहीं मुसीबत में पड़ना, जाने दो, क्या हुआ. Some people will not think कि यार मुसीबत है नहीं, पहले उसको बचाओ. So these type of people were earlier also, now also, and it will be in future also. कुछ change नहीं होने वाला. How many of you agree that with every generations the things will more or less remain same, because the basic underlying quality of human beings will remain new breed. They'll change the tools. People will make video, but there will be people who will rush to help also, right? पहले स्टोरी सुनाते थे लोग, कहानी लिखते थे, लेख लिखते थे. तो इतना सब मैंने कहानी क्यों सुनाया? सो टू मेक श्योर दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई वी आर डूइंग टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, व्हाई टेक्निकल एनालिसिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. Technical analysis is the picture of the behavior of people in stock market. Behavior is driven by greed, fear, virtue, and all good and bad qualities of human being. It's a picture of what a rich people doing, a rich person is doing, what a poor person is doing. Everything gets executed in the stock market. Because of the price action, a picture is formed. We learn to understand what this picture is telling us, and then we take the action to earn money. तो हमारा ये है कि पहले हम ये अंडरस्टैंड करें कि nothing new is happening. The picture created will get repeated every time. You have to understand what is the picture, how to identify that picture, and take a call. That picture is formed by all the actions of everyone: greed, fear, पैसे वाला, गरीब इंसान, and everyone. Have I made it amply clear? Point absolutely clear to everyone? Can I have yes from all of you? Type yes if you are with me, if you are clear what I'm trying to say. Chalo, great, fantastic. Now, ये जो है चार्ट कैसे बनता है? How the chart is formed? So everyone has said, okay, everyone said कि बचपन में बनाया है. Everyone has made this chart in the childhood. So everyone has confirmed their 8th pass. Okay. Now you cannot say, no, can you explain me how this chart is made? No, I'll not explain. Go and ask your teacher. I'll not explain that. But how, from where that data comes, I'll explain now. Just hold on. और कुछ छूट तो नहीं गया? Okay, this is not important. Okay, so we'll cover this. Now, this is the National Stock Exchange website. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. This is National Stock Exchange. So National Stock Exchange is responsible for trading. जितना भी हम ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हैं, या तो बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में जाएगा या नेशनल, जो भी हमारे पास ऐप है, और any platform we are using, Zerodha, Fires or Grow or anything, we'll place the order. It will get executed in the National Stock Exchange or Bombay Stock Exchange. This is a National Stock Exchange website. So what will happen is, पूरा दिन भर ट्रेड होगा, and then let's take let's say Infosys. So this website will publish what has been the price action of Infosys in the day. So it will give open. Everyone can see this open here. If you can see open, type O. Okay, great. Thank you. Now, this is the open price. Okay, so what I have done is I have gone to this website, nscindia.com, National Stock Exchange of India.com, nscindia.com. I have typed Infosys here. Infosys का ये आ गया यहाँ पे. अब इसमें first thing is open. What is open? Open is at 9:15 when the trading started in Infosys. जैसे 9:15 पे market खुला on the Friday which has gone, the trading started with 1468.25. So this was the opening price. Then during the day, highest it went till 1475, lowest it went till 1460, and at 3:30 it closed at 1465. VWAP अभी पूछना मत. I know someone must be tapping. ये VWAP क्या होता है? मत पूछो, बाद में कभी कवर करेंगे. So 1465 was the closing price. That is the price at 3:30. What was the close price of Infosys? So 1468, it started trading. पूरा डांस हुआ दिन भर, लास्ट में at the closing of the dance of the price 1465 पे close हो गया. So this is the closing price. Everyone okay? Everyone good? Open, high, low, close roughly समझ में आ गया? ठीक है. Now if you see historical data, so this is every day this data is collected. If you see here, this is Infosys data for 1 month. 1462 is the price, share price. कहाँ देखा आपने 1462? ये ना, हाँ. Okay, this is the last traded price and this is the close price typically. Yeah. ये last traded price और ये close price है. दोनों में से एक कोई average होता है. Okay, इधर देख लेते हैं, यहाँ पे ज्यादा clear हो जाएगा. See, this is 1462 is the last traded price. 330 पे last trade कौन सी price पे हुआ? तो 1462 पे हुआ. 1465 जो है, they will take average of last 5 minutes की, last 5 minutes का average क्या था trading का, that they will declare as a close price. So this is the last traded price and the 1465 is the close price. Last traded price is the on 329.49 पे जो trade हुआ, उसकी क्या value थी last traded price, वो है. Now every day they will record this data, that is on let's say 24th में opening यहाँ हुआ, high यहाँ पे हुआ, low यहाँ पे हुआ, close यहाँ पे हुआ. 23rd में open, high, low, close. ऐसा they will have all the data. Now remember you are 8th pass. So if I tell you कि बॉस चार्ट बनाओ इसका, कि closing price का चार्ट बनाओ, मतलब क्या है? Put the closing price and the date and put it on the graph. वो blue color का graph पे plot करो, तो it will look something okay. So this is the line chart. Line chart मतलब क्या हुआ? If you see, if I zoom in, okay, if you see here, this is the chart. So this is the price. Infosys closed on 24th May. You can see नीचे x axis पे 24th May 2024 नजर आ रहा होगा, correct? And the price is where it closed. Then it closed here on 23rd May. ये 22nd May का closing है. Then this is the closing of 21. So for each day's closing, it is plotted on the graph. See this on the y-axis, here the price is there, नीचे date होता है. Now if you want to understand how to use TradingView and what is the graph and how it is plotted, I will share a playlist with you. You can watch the playlist in detail. Those who are new, watch that playlist in detail, practice it with TradingView, so you'll understand how to use TradingView. You can open a free account in TradingView and do it. Don't go for the paid version of TradingView. It is available online. You can go for the free version. Once you think that हाँ इसका use हो रहा है, then you can go for the paid version. Okay. Now, so this is how the graph is plotted. मतलब रोज का closing price लेके, this is the close price, this is the date, this is the plot which is meant, this is the closing price, this is the closing price, closing price, closing price, ऐसा करके line chart बन गया. तो क्या हुआ? What we have done is the data is converted into a picture. Correct? Everyone agrees that now this data of the closing price of each day is changed into a picture. You have understood how the data has come, how it is plotted, and how this picture has formed. Correct? Yes, no? Can I have yes from everyone? कोई question है तो अभी पूछ लो, अपन रुक सकते हैं 2 मिनट. Any questions how this is plotted, or everyone is clear? Okay, Anish, can you unmute yourself, Anish? I will explain you quickly.
Yes, Mr. Samir, go ahead.
Yeah. So this data we have, see, every day the market, the share will trade, right?
Mhm.
So 9:15, it will start trading, it will go, share price will go up, go down, and then there will be a closing price.
That's right.
Okay. So let's say Infosys, this is the closing price. This is the data on National Stock Exchange, which you have picked up. 24th May, this is the close price, 1465. 23rd May, 1472, 22nd May, like this closing prices are there.
Yeah.
We take it to the graph chart, which we did in childhood, correct?
Yeah.
What we will do is we'll put that points on the graph. So if you can, I have taken my mouse here roughly, see, you can see the date below 24th May, correct?
So, Mr. Samir, the question is, when I come to the trading view, go to Infosys, it shows a bit cluttered chart, whereas your line chart is very singular and clean. So my question is, how did you arrive to this chart from that cluttered chart?
What I will do is I have made around 1.5 hours of trading view video.
Okay.
How to use trading view.
Okay.
So I'll share the link with you. You can go through it and practice, because there are a lot of things in that which you can practice and get well versed with the trading view.
That'll be very helpful. Thank you, Mr. Samir.
So for just hold on, I'll give it right now. So this is the right time. Okay, now here is the link. Okay, I'll show you here. We are थोड़ा सा divert कर रहे हैं अपन. Let me. I've shared in the group chat this. Pulja Sim Sim. Yeah. So this is the playlist which I have uploaded on TradingView. I have shared the link with you also. So there are around 6 videos in this playlist. From here, it's around 55 to like 2 hours. Complete description. What is the charts? This is my channel. By the way, if you are not subscribed, you can subscribe to this channel also. This is my photo here. And there are a lot of videos also which I have uploaded. So what you can do is I have shared in chat the link to this trading view, part 1, part 2, part 3. Trading view is a tool to see the picture. Okay.
I mean, link is not shared.
Link
isn't shared in the chat.
नहीं, meeting chat में मैंने share किया है उसको. In the chat here, the chat in which everyone is typing yes or no.
We don't see it. We don't see it. Maybe you have not pressed enter.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay. Now I have pressed. Thank you. नहीं, एक मिनट, don't type anything. You can see it now. Verbally बता दो मेरे को. Don't type anything.
Yes, we can see it. Okay. We can see it.
So you can copy it. You can keep it, store it somewhere. This is trading view. This is somewhere around 2 hours. थोड़ा old video है, but the things are very much relevant. You can go through this and practice along with this. So as you see, practice and use what is line chart, candlestick chart, how it is formed. I have explained in detail in this. This will help you in using this trading view very comfortably. So things have not changed. I think this is some 6 months. Yeah, it's 6 months ago I have recorded. Few things have changed. Very few things have changed. Otherwise, you can use it. You can subscribe to my channel. You can see videos. These are my videos. I upload a lot of videos. So whenever I'm uploading video, you can get it, and you can as well learn from my videos. Okay. Okay. Should we go ahead? Okay. So let's go ahead. Okay. Okay, so this is my channel. I upload a lot of videos, what is going to happen, likely to happen based on the this thing. These are not recommendations to trade. I'm just sharing my ideas, like I'm sharing my ideas today. So coming back to this, again, this is a chart, closing price date, then we join with a line and we have this picture. Now, technical analysis is art of learning this picture, how to interpret this picture. So let's go to this chart. It was a good example. I'll close this as of now, close this, everyone has a link. See, the way price moves, okay, and this can be any price at any year, doesn't matter. Like I said, nothing has changed in 1,000 years, nothing will change in 100 years. If you understand this, how the chart picture को कैसे interpret करें, क्या है इस picture में, क्या है, क्या देखना है. There are only two movements in stock market, okay? There are only two movements. Number one, the price will move up and down, थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगा, फिर नीचे आएगा, फिर ऐसा जाएगा, up and down, like this. Okay? Or it may move like this, it may go down like this, then it may come down like this. You can see my whiteboard, right? I'm drawing something with a green line. So ganda picture hai, but okay. Or you may see something like this happening, something like this happening on the picture. So I have drawn three pictures. So not a very beautiful picture, but ऐसे ही दिखता है stock market पे. This is called sideways movement. What do you mean by sideways? Let's say if I purchased a share at 100 rupees, okay, here. The share price went up, went down, went up, went down, went down, went down. After 3 months also, it is still at 100 rupees only. It has not gone anywhere. It went down, it goes up by 10 rupees, comes down by 15 rupees, goes up, comes down. But it is going nowhere. For last 4 to 5 months, 6 months, it is at the same place. And when you see on the line chart, the picture, it will appear, when you convert that data into picture, it will appear like this. It goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. But the price does not go anywhere. After 6 months also, वो 100 रुपए ही है, 10-20 रुपए ऊपर नीचे है. Or it will appear something like this, or it may appear something like this. So it's like a, so in technical analysis terminology, we called it sideways movement. मतलब market sideways है. कि sideways मतलब क्या है? ऊपर जा रहा है, नीचे आ रहा है, ऊपर जा रहा है, नीचे आ रहा है, ऊपर जा रहा है, नीचे आ रहा है. कहीं मजेदार ट्रेंड नहीं मिल रहा है. इट्स ओनली साइडवेज. साइडवेज मूवमेंट समझ में आ गया? दिस इज व्हाट्स हाउ द साइडवेज लुक्स. इट गोज अप, गोज डाउन, ऊपर जाएगा, नीचे आएगा, ऊपर जाएगा. जब हम इसका पिक्चर देखेंगे, दैट टाइम आल्सो विल सी इट इज गोइंग अप, गोइंग डाउन, लाइक दैट. साइडवेज मूवमेंट क्लियर है? ये पिक्चर, अगर हमारा पिक्चर से कोरिलेट करना है, ठीक है, पिक्चर से अगर हम कोरिलेट करेंगे, इफ वी सी द पिक्चर, दैट्स हाउ वी इंटरप्रेट, लाइक फॉरेस्ट, डेजर्ट, सिटी, हाईवे. So when you see on a trading view, when you are looking at the chart and it is looking something like this, going up, going down, going up, down, going down, this picture, now you make a map on your mind that when you see the line like this, up down, ऊपर नीचे अगर हो रहा है, तो ये मार्केट या ये शेयर का प्राइस साइडवेज है. ये पिक्चर मतलब क्या? साइडवेज मार्केट. ठीक है? Like the marketing people used to say na, earlier the Amir Khan ad will come, ठंडा मतलब कोका कोला. So ठीक है, अगर लाइन ऐसा ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि ये मार्केट या ये स्टॉक अभी साइडवेज है. साइडवेज मतलब प्राइस is going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down. It can appear in a different way, but more or less it is not going anywhere. It is in the same location. It can be appearing like this, like this, like this, like this. ठीक है? अब इसका अपन उस पे देखते हैं, लाइव एग्जांपल देखते हैं. दिस इज वॉकहार्ड फार्मा. ओके, So if you can see, this is Wokhard chart. Chart clear हो गया, closing price से बना. अभी अगर हम picture देखेंगे, और if we see this picture, ये बॉक्स के अंदर की जो पिक्चर है चार्ट में, how many of you now can see and tell me what is happening here? In यहां से यहां तक 22 जून से लेके 12 नवंबर, like almost जून जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर अक्टूबर नवंबर, price remained more or less same, correct, moving sideways. तो अब हम पिक्चर देख रहे हैं तो हमको समझ में आ रहा है कि अब क्या हुआ. नाउ द चार्ट हैज स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग टू अस. चार्ट से हम बातें कर रहे हैं, चल क्या रहा है भाई मार्केट में, हो क्या रहा है, क्या चल रहा है. सो इफ यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड क्या चल क्या रहा है वो कार्डेट में, तो हम अगर चार्ट देखेंगे, अगर हमने यहां से यहां तक चार्ट देखा तो हमको पता चला कि व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द मार्केट. फॉर दिस चार्ट इट इज गोइंग up and down, more or less it is at the same place. It is called sideways movement. It is called consolidation. The other name, like we have different name for people, right? Someone will call us something in given name Samir, someone will call different name in home. This is also called sideways, and this is also called consolidation. Consolidation means at the same place it is moving up and down. Now, okay, so now if we go back, see again, here there is a consolidation from here to here. Okay, if we go back in the history, it will consolidate here, thoda zyada fluctuation hua, then it went up. Let's change the stock name. Let's take kaun sa give me one share name, give me any share name which you like. नहीं okay, IRADA तो अभी वो हुआ है. Okay, now we have our Titan, and let's take that only. Now if you see, IREDA is also going up, going down, going up, going down. So it is also in a range. From here to here, it is moving in a range. It is in a sideways movement because IPO came recently. Zyada data nahi hai. Let's take Titan. Okay. Titan also, if you see, it was in consolidation. It went up, went down, went up, went down, went up, went down. If we fix it in a triangle, let's say from here to here, if you fix this in a job, fix this in a box, the picture is, it was sideways. Correct? Now everyone can see sideways movement. Correct? Abhi, if we go back, again, this was in a sideways movement for here to here, then it went up. Sideways movement, then went up. So there is one more movement, which is a trend. So there will be a sideways movement and a trend, upwards or downwards. So the important part is, see here, now the next story of the next picture. I'll form two boxes. Okay, this is box number 1. This is box number 2. Okay, you can see box number 1, box number 2. What is the picture there? Sideways consolidation है ना, इट इज गोइंग अप एंड डाउन, वहीं पे ही साइडवेज है या कंसोलिडेशन, दोनों बोलते हैं, लाइक इंटरचेंजेबली इट इज यूज साइडवेज और कंसोलिडेशन. बट बिटवीन दिस टू साइडवेज मूवमेंट देयर इज अ अप ट्रेंड. फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर इट सडनली वेंट अप. सो दिस इज अ ट्रेंड. यहां साइडवेज नहीं है. इफ यू सी इट वेंट अप स्ट्रेट. करेक्ट? कैन यू सी दिस? तो इसको हम एक लाइन से कर लेते हैं. Let's say it went up straight and then it consolidated. Now, can you visualize, or now is the chart making more sense? In all pictures, this is happening for thousands of years. Now, what I want to tell you is, this is a sideways movement, this is a sideways movement, and this is the trend. Okay? This will keep on repeating. So after sideways movement, there will be a trend. After a trend, there will be a sideways movement. After sideways movement, there will be maybe a downtrend. Again sideways, again downtrend or uptrend. So sideways, uptrend. This is uptrend. This is clear to everyone. This is uptrend from here to here. Clear? Everyone, this is uptrend. Uptrend मतलब शेयर प्राइस ऊपर गया, ये साइडवेज था, कंसोलिडेट हुआ, कंसोलिडेशन से बाहर निकला, ऊपर तक गया, फिर कंसोलिडेट हुआ, फिर नीचे गिरा. क्लियर है? अपट्रेंड क्लियर है? एवरीवन इज क्लियर अबाउट द अपट्रेंड? यस, नो? हेलो? Yes. So what happens is this keeps on repeating. The point I'm trying to make here is what I said कि thousands years से nothing has changed. कुछ भी बदला नहीं है हजारों सालों से. अगले 100 साल तक भी कुछ बदलेगा नहीं. This will keep on happening. Consolidation, uptrend, consolidation, downtrend. Okay? कंसोलिडेशन क्लियर नहीं है. ये क्या दिख रहा है? ये साइडवेज है ना. मान लीजिए शालिनी जी, अगर आपने ये इस कंपनी का शेयर खरीदा, मान लीजिए ओके, शालिनी जी कैन यू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ? ओके, कैन यू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ?
यस सर.
हाँ, देखिए कंसोलिडेशन को अगर हम अगले टर्म में देखें कि अगर मान लीजिए आपने ये शेयर खरीदा और उसकी प्राइस 3,700 मान लीजिए, ठीक है? आपने ये शेयर खरीदा 3,700 पे, ठीक है?
ठीक है.
और 4 महीने हो गए ये शेयर की प्राइस 3,700 ही है. ये नीचे गया, प्राइस ऊपर गया, नीचे गया, ऊपर गया, पर आपने जब 2-3 यहाँ पे आपने खरीद लिया, मान लीजिए फॉर एग्जांपल आपने खरीदा 31 जनवरी को 3,700 पे, ठीक है?
ओके.
फिर आपने देखा कि वो प्राइस नीचे गई, ऊपर गई, नीचे गई, ऊपर गई, नीचे गई, और फिर अप्रैल तक 4 महीने हो गए, पर अभी भी प्राइस 3,700 ही है, ठीक है? ओके. तो आपको फ्रस्ट्रेशन होगा कि नहीं होगा कि मैंने तो बड़ी उम्मीदों से ये शेयर खरीदा था, मैं सोच रही थी ये पता नहीं कहाँ जाएगा, पर ये आज भी वही है 3,700 पे. करेक्ट?
करेक्ट.
तो ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन हर स्टॉक इन्वेस्टर को होता है जब वो कंसोलिडेशन में जब हम वो जो प्राइस मूवमेंट है, जब हम उसको चार्ट पे डालेंगे तो उसका पिक्चर ऐसे दिखेगा जो हमारे सामने, कि नीचे मैंने यहाँ खरीदा, फिर वो नीचे गया, ऊपर गया, नीचे गया, ऊपर गया, नीचे गया, पर वहीं के वहीं प्राइस 3,700 के ऊपर नीचे ही घूमती रही. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड साइडवेज मूवमेंट और कंसोलिडेशन. दिस इज हाउ ये दिखेगा चार्ट पे, जो है जब ये ऊपर नीचे प्राइस हो रही है तब ये हमको कंसोलिडेशन दिखेगा या साइडवेज मूवमेंट दिखेगा. ठीक है?
ठीक है, क्लियर.
अगर मान लीजिए आपने ये शेयर खरीदा, यहाँ पे मान लीजिए आपने खरीदा 3,300 पे, ठीक है? और विदिन ये आपने खरीदा नवंबर में, और बाय जनवरी 3 महीने के अंदर ये 3300 से 3800 हो गया, तो आपको खुशी होगी कि नहीं होगी?
होगी।
है ना? तो ये था अप ट्रेंड जो 3 महीने का था। तो अब आप फर्क समझिए फॉर एवरीवन। ओके, नाउ यू सी द डिफरेंस। वी बॉट 3700 and the price went up and down, and after 3 months 4 months also it is at 3700. How many of you think we will get frustrated? After 4 months also it is at 3700 only. Agreed? Everyone agrees? But everyone, do you agree that if we buy at 3300 and within 3 months, if it goes to 3800, everyone will be happy? How many of you agree? We all agree. Correct. So when it is good to buy, okay, and when it is not good to buy, everyone agrees, including Shalini ji. आप अगर ट्रेंड के समय चालू करें खरीदना तभी फायदा है. We can see, correct? If we buy here and sell here, then only we will have more happiness, right? So that is the nature of the stock market. It will move between consolidation, sideways जो ऐसा दिखेगा, और ट्रेंड जो ऐसा दिखेगा. तो कंसोलिडेशन को जब वो तोड़ेगा तो वो कुछ दिन ट्रेंड करेगा, कुछ दिन के ट्रेंड के बाद वो कंसोलिडेट करेगा. दिस इज द नेचर ऑफ द प्राइस मूवमेंट. सो इफ यू सी द प्राइस मूवमेंट हियर फॉर प्रीवियसली आल्सो, see it will go up down, then it will break, it will go up, it will go up for few days, again go sideways, again go up. This is the nature of stock market price movement for last 400 years. It will remain there for as long as we all are trading for 100 years. So I can assure you. So when we learn technical analysis, this for you in nutshell, for everyone, this is what is called technical analysis. Understanding the picture. चल क्या रहा है? What is happening in the market? The stock price will tell us. Okay. So when we are buying a share, in our heart of heart, we want that we should be buying when it is likely to go up. But normally hota kya hai? Normally a common investor gets trapped in this sideways movement. He buys when it is going sideways, gets frustrated, he sells out, and then the stock price goes up. So the moral of the story for today is, first of all, we should be learning the technical analysis. And why we should be learning is, we should be able to, with practice, we should be able to understand what is happening right now in the stock, whether it is in sideways or it is going up. If it is in sideways, we can be alert. Sideways movement is always an indication of lot of money which is likely to come in. So we should wait if we are trade, and we should try to buy when there is a breakout and it goes up. So we can sort of time the market as well. Learning the technical analysis is purely to time the market. Buy when it is going up, and after a few days you can sell it if it is going up, or you can hold it also. That is also not a problem, but that is a different ball game. But can I conclude that everyone has understood the picture, what this chart tries to tell us? There is a clear-cut picture which chart tries to tell us the consolidation and uptrend. So these two are consolidation, this is an uptrend. This will keep on repeating again and again and again. And Rohit, good question. There are a lot of methods, like there are triangles, there are rectangles, head and shoulder pattern. There are a lot of patterns which form. Okay. So my objective today to explain to all beginners was that there is a chart. When we analyze chart is divided into two things only. One thing is consolidations. Second thing is uptrend or a downtrend. It is not necessary that after consolidation it will go up only. After consolidation, it might come down also. So this is the consolidation, it might come down. So consolidation, it might come down. Consolidation, it might go up. But the good part for us is, how many of you can see this consolidation here? Correct? You can see? So the first thing as a beginner is to understand what is happening by looking at the chart. Now this is consolidation, this is downtrend. Went up, consolidation, went down, consolidation, went up. So technical analysis is all about understanding the picture, what is happening, and take a call based on the picture. Okay, everyone okay? Everyone clear? Have you learned something about technical analysis today?
Mr. Samir, I just have one question, if I may.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So the sideway pattern is clear, and there is this uptrend pattern which is super clear, and it is ideal if we buy shares at the end of a sideway and a start of an uptrend. That is the ideal point to buy.
Correct.
And the uptrend is basically a forecast. It's not today. It's going to be in the next couple of weeks or days. So when do we know this ideal time? There is a switch between uptrend to sideways to uptrend. When do we identify that point?
Correct. So there are patterns. I'll just open my YouTube account. So I'll just give you one example. See, there are a lot of patterns. Now, since we have understood the broad level pictures, then there are a lot of patterns which form within this pattern. Okay. Now, just to give a clarity, let me take a picture of sale. Now, I'll just change it to candlestick. Don't get matlab ye kya kiya, why candlestick and all. See, now candlestick you'll understand when you are learning the trading view. Okay, let me go to your videos. I'll share the consolidation videos also, the link in the group. Till that time we go. See, there are some pictures. So what we have done is we have understood at a high level about there is a picture. Okay, this is candlesticks are found because of the high, low, close values, which you'll see when you are watching my trading view video. You'll understand that. Just to understand the consolidation pattern. Now, what happens is how they are drawn, which I have discussed in detail in my YouTube videos, which you can see in my channel. See, if I join this high, just hold on. Roughly, let's say, ये थोड़ा सा with the practice it will come. Okay, immediately it will not come. With practice and all, it will come. So see, as you can see this picture, can you all imagine? See, it's about imagination. Can you imagine that this price is trapped inside a triangle? Can you now imagine after I have drawn this line? Yes, no? This is a triangle, right? Ye triangle hai. And can you imagine that this price is trapped inside a triangle? This price action, it is consolidating or sideways inside a triangle. Now, when the triangle, it broke out the triangle, it went up till here, right? So these are different consolidation patterns. Okay, so now if you see my YouTube, search across your channel, let's say triangle. See, these are all what I have uploaded on triangles. Okay, these are all the videos. You can see these videos, right? Here, triangle. These are the videos explaining what is a triangle consolidation. So how to identify when the price is moving, how to identify that it is a triangle consolidation. If it comes, when it will come out of the consolidation, when we have to take the trade, when it will go, everything is explained in detail in these videos. Maybe you can take a snapshot and search for them later in my YouTube channel. Fine. Everyone okay with that? Or I'll share the links also in the group. I may be able to share. You can take a snapshot and then you can search for them. So this is triangle. Then another consolidation pattern is head and shoulders. This is one more consolidation pattern. So you need to recognize that picture. So what we are learning in technical analysis is to understand when the price is moving in a consolidation, because when a price is moving in consolidation, it always means that you are going to earn a lot of money if it breaks out on the higher side. So you should first understand what is the pattern. So this is head and shoulder, then rectangles. Let's see if I have uploaded. Okay, 0 videos. Or what you can do is this my latest uploads here. These are my uploads with the latest. See here, sale I have uploaded somewhere. Engineer Sun, all this you can go. I have explained the consolidation pattern actually happening in the stock. So you will learn what are the consolidation patterns. So you can learn, and then when again you come back to this, you will understand, okay, what I am saying and how the consolidation patterns can be written. See, okay, so the objective is to make you people understand that there is something called technical analysis. Why technical analysis? And there are 3 movements only: consolidation, uptrend, consolidation, downtrend. It will keep on repeating. So most of the investors get caught during consolidation, gets frustrated and come out, but you should not get caught in the consolidation. How to identify and all that is available in my YouTube channels. I explained. I'll also be conducting 1 hour session going forward on Wednesdays and all, where I cover 1 hour for each topic and explain it, or I'll be posting the videos in the financial fitness group. So this is what I wanted to cover in technical analysis. Please go through how to use TradingView. In that I have posted how to use TradingView, what is a line chart, what is a candlestick chart. Once you understand that, then go to YouTube channel and have a look at this, whatever I have uploaded recently. You'll understand that these are all uploads are consolidation and consolidation breakout, when you can enter and earn money. So this will help you in understanding in detail, and we'll cover in coming days. Fine, everyone okay? Everyone good? So far so good? Okay, so with that, we come to the end. Let me just check if I have planned for anything else. Okay, 1 more point is there. Last but not the least, indicator. Okay, what is the indicator? Now you must have heard RSI, moving average, vagare. So indicator basically is indicate. It will indicate when the like there is a likelihood of something to happen. Like the first objective should be, you should be able to understand this picture and you should be able to take a trade based on this picture. This is the best form of technical analysis where you cannot get mistaken. Now, people thought कि नहीं यार हमको बता दो कि यार ये कब it is going to go up. We want to know that, okay, we would like to know when to enter. Very difficult to learn all this. Then the indicators were developed. So indicators were developed to putting this price only and to make us understand when to enter and exit. So indicator you should not follow blindly. I would recommend every beginner to learn the price action first as it is. Don't go and learn indicators. First try to learn price action in its raw form. Then what is an indicator? Simple indicator is moving average, simple, nothing. This is a line, moving average. This is drawn above the chart using the same data. It is drawn. Let's take a moving average, 50-day moving average. Let's say people, you must have heard 50-day moving average. I'll just make it little dark and black. And how it is used. अगर आपको price action नहीं सीखना है, So you can simply follow this 50-day moving average. So this is an indicator. So if you say नहीं यार अभी मुझे बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है सीखने में कि this price action consolidation, this moving average will give you a simple system. Should I give you that simple system? What people follow is buy when the price goes above this 50-day moving average, sell when it closes below the 50-day moving average, again buy when it goes above the 50-day moving average, and sell when it is closing below the 50-day moving average. So that is the advantage of an indicator. This is the simplest indicator available in the market. This is 50-day moving average. You will lose money also using this simple technique, but prima facie, can everyone see it is possible to earn money also using this simple moving average, 50-day simple moving average, simple system. Buy when it crosses above it, sell when it crosses below it. Buy when it crosses above it, sell when it crosses below it. Okay. You have to go in indicator. This you will know in the trading view also. How to put moving average and all. You'll understand when you go through the videos of the trading view. You go in indicators and do like that. But indicators, the problem is, I'll tell you what is the problem and why people lose money using indicators. Okay. So before going to what Manish is saying, he's saying check for another stock also. Why people lose money using indicators? Because they don't analyze how good the stock is. They don't analyze the share quality, the stock quality. They just say, "Acha indicator hai, indicator laga deta hu, buy kar lunga." Nahi. The underlying thing is you have to make sure that whichever stock you are buying is fundamentally good stock. What we did in the first half, you should do and then apply the indicator. Then the possibility of your success of earning money is more. Okay. Let's say if I am applying for BDL. Correct. So what will happen is I will earn money from here to here, but I may lose in the whipsaw. So this is a drawback of the simple moving average. From here to here, if I'm buying here, I might earn money. Whenever it closes, it don't. So there are advantages and disadvantages of each indicator. Don't jump into any indicator. Just see which indicator will use. It will take some time. So if you are beginning today as a beginner, don't jump into stock market. Learn for 2 to 3 months. हम graduation भी करते हैं, तो it took us 3 years, 4 years for doing graduation, and then we were employable. That means we were ready to earn money, right? So don't jump into stock market with just today's session of 3 hours ki ab to फोड़ देंगे market. नहीं. You have to learn stock markets. I have uploaded a lot of videos. I'll be taking a lot of sessions. You have to learn, then deploy money slowly and then earn. Don't jump into stock market. And this is what indicators do. There are a lot of indicators. There are around 400, 500 indicators. You have to, but in my opinion, you should start with the basic price actions. Try to understand basic price action, then use the indicator. Don't use the indicator and then trade. Second thing is only trade in fundamentally good stocks which have good future also. Only past performance should not be looked. You have to see the past performance and analyze what is the future. BEST. All four is important. Only BES should not be done. People do BES, business, earning, consistency. Okay, laga do paisa. Nahi. What is the future? Also, you have to see. You have to see whether there is a bright future or not. Then only you should put. Fine. Everyone okay? Everyone good with whatever we have learned? Yes. Okay. So that brings us to the end of the session today. Open for questions. If you have any questions, you can ask. Limited to whatever we have learned before we call it a day. I'll be uploading this recording again on the YouTube and sharing it in the group. If you're not in my financial fitness group, you can send me a message. I'll send you the link to join my financial fitness group. Any questions? Now the forum is open for the questions.
Hello, Samir. This is Madhusudan Nair. How are you doing?
Hi.
Yeah, just I finally have decided to take an early retirement and trying to be back in India. And I want to really start trading now. High time, seriously, I have to do it. So if I want to invest quickly in say a couple of days or weeks time, so do you think at this stage it's ripe enough? Because my knowledge level is okay, I would say, but I have not yet started trading at all. So what can I start trading immediately with the limited knowledge that I am currently having?
See, yes, you can immediately start, but the only but is that you should not trade them more than 1 lakh rupees. Okay.
Okay. Nice to know that.
Whatever happens. Okay.
Yeah.
Your trade amount should not exceed 5 to 10,000. Why I'm saying 5 to 10,000? मतलब heart attack ना आए आपका, मतलब रात की नींद नहीं जानी चाहिए. Let's say if you're putting 5,000 in a trade and you lose entire 5,000 in that trade, you should be still able to sleep peacefully in night. That is the condition. That can be 5,000 for someone, that can be 50,000 for someone, that can be 50 lakh for someone. The first criteria is if you are able to lose 5,000 every day for next 100 days, and on 100th day you are able to sleep peacefully, okay, after losing let's say 5 lakh rupees also, still if you are able to sleep peacefully, then that is the right amount. So whichever amount, if you are able to lose for 100 days consistently and still sleep peacefully after 100th day, that is the right amount for you. It can be 5 lakh for me, it can be 5 crore for you. वो आपको decide करना है. ठीक है?
And can we start?
आ रहा हूँ मैं. Second thing is 5,000 का risk रखो. Do 100 trades with a system. One system you have to follow. Keep doing with that 100, same system for 100 trades. See whether you are profitable in that or loss making in that after 100 trades. Don't people, what they do is they will start with one system today, again jump to the next system tomorrow, then next system tomorrow, next system tomorrow. किसी में पैसा नहीं बनता है. Learn one system, one technique, keep following it for 100 trades. Then see whether you are profitable or in loss. Okay, so this is two things you have to do.
And my question is, can I go directly to the company who's like I have to go through some platform like Zerodha?
हाँ, वो तो लेना ही पड़ेगा ना, नहीं तो ट्रेडिंग करने के लिए you will have to open Zerodha, Fires, Grow, ICICI, Kotak Mahindra, Sharekhan. उसमें वो अकाउंट तो ओपन करना ही पड़ेगा उसमें.
Okay, through them only. Okay, not like mutual fund. We directly go to the company.
See, if you go to mutual fund also, then also you should know what is the future of the companies they are investing into.
Correct, that's true. But I'm just looking for the platform. Platform means there is one direct entry to the company.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बहुत फर्क नहीं पड़ता. We are talking about saving some 0.5% here and there.
Okay.
वो सब मार्केटिंग गिमिक है कि डायरेक्टली वहां से होगा, इनडायरेक्टली ये होगा, हम ये करेंगे. ब्रोकरेज ही सेव कर रहे हैं हम, उससे ज्यादा क्या कर रहे हैं. ब्रोकरेज है 0.5%, मैक्स टू मैक्स, हाईएस्ट रेंज इज 0.5%, लोएस्ट इज 20 रुपए. सब उथल पुथल करके हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं, तो 20 रुपए, 20 rupees एंड सेविंग सम 100 rupees. नॉट वर्थ इट.
Okay. So you suggest to go through some
नॉर्मली जो भी ग्रो प्लेटफॉर्म है, जीरोधा है, फायर्स है, ICICI, HDFC, open with anything. Important right now is not to save some 50 rupees, 100 rupees here and there. The important thing is I should be able to earn profit consistently for next 50 trades. Am I able to do that? Yes. Increase the money. If no, go back to drawing board and see where I went wrong. Improvise, again do 50 trades. 20-25 रुपए बचाने के चक्कर में मत पड़ो.
Okay, so when will the next level training going to happen? Like
I'll declare in the group. Most likely in 15 days, I'll take the next level training.
Thank you so much, Samir.
Okay. Any other questions?
Yes, hi, Samir. This is Mendra. It's a very nice session, and I think basic level we learned a lot from this session. So just one question I have, that what should be minimum ROC, ROEC, that value? What should be minimum to buy that?
10%, 15% is good enough. 10 to 15% is good enough to buy.
10 to 15%.
पर पूरा है ना, बेस्ट BEST चारों करना है अपने को.
चाओ करना है, ये चाओ में ये दिस वन मिनिमम 10 to
10 to
15%
15%. Yes.
लिखना है.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So someone was asking in the chat what will happen after election. I don't know. Depending if the government is stable, the market can go anywhere. Like it can go even if the same government comes, the market can fall also. It can go up also. No one can tell except the charts. If the charts, see every chart share which is having this is consolidation, right? BDL is there. BDL is it broke out. If you see Nifty. It is in consolidation. Can you see here? It went up from here to here for last 4 to 5 months since January. It is in consolidation sideways. Abhi, there is a breakout yesterday. It has broken out of the consolidation yesterday. So this can be some indication ki what the government is heading to. There is a possibility of a stable government. कौन आएगा पता नहीं, but market को इतना समझ में आ गया कि कोई तो भी stable government रहेगा. So it has come out of the consolidation here. Looking at the Nifty, we can say, okay, there is a likelihood that as soon as 4th June results are out, and what market is perceiving that there is a stable government, there is a likelihood of it going up. That's how we can conclude. But not basis the election, basis the chart. Chart was in consolidation here. The consolidation got broken on Thursday because the highest high got broken. Consolidation break हुआ है ऊपर की तरफ. There is a likelihood of uptrend. Okay.
Sir, Manish here.
Yeah, Manish.
Sir, first of all, thanks for the very informative session.
Thank you.
I have attended your previous sessions also. It's very informative. So my question is, जितना भी हम chart देख रहे हैं, whatever we are seeing, it's basically the previous history है, the previous analysis है, maybe 6 months, 1 year, whatever. But इसके बेस पे हम फ्यूचर का प्रेडिक्ट कैसे कर सकते हैं कि भाई शेयर लेना है या नहीं लेना है?
शेयर का तो हम मान लीजिए वो करते हैं, पहले तो हम शेयर का एनालिसिस कर लेते हैं कि शेयर का अपने आप इस कंपनी का कोई भविष्य है कि नहीं है.
राइट.
अगर हमको लगता है कि हाँ भविष्य है, जैसे इसी केस में ले लेते हैं, जैसे ये जो हमने एनालिसिस किया सुबह. ओके, ठीक है. तो अब रफली मान लेते हैं कि इसका भविष्य है, ठीक है, जो कि हमने एनालिसिस किया. अब उसके बाद हम चार्ट पे गए कि अब कब खरीदूं मैं. तो कब खरीदना है, अगर आप मुझसे पूछे कि मैं कब खरीदूंगा, तो मैं यह है कि अब ये कंसोलिडेशन में है. करेक्ट. ये तो हमको आज समझ में आ गया. ऊपर नीचे जा रहा है. कंसोलिडेशन के बाद जब ये इसका हाई है, अभी कंसोलिडेशन में है, आज कल अगले हफ्ते 4 जून के बाद जब भी ये इसको तोड़ के ऊपर निकलेगा इस कंसोलिडेशन को, तब हम थोड़ा सा पैसा डालेंगे इसमें. ठीक है. एकदम से ऐसा नहीं कि पूरे जमीन जायदाद बेच के डाल दी, ऐसा नहीं. मतलब जितना हमारे नींद खराब ना हो, नींद डिस्टर्ब ना हो, तब हम पैसा डालेंगे. उसके बाद फिर ये थोड़ा और ऊपर जाएगा, थोड़ा और पैसा डालेंगे, फिर थोड़ा और ऊपर जाएगा, थोड़ा और पैसा. तो चार्ट ने हमको बताना चाहिए कि हाँ अप ट्रेंड चालू हो गया. तो एक ऊपर गया 5-10% के बाद थोड़ा और पैसा डालेंगे, उस टाइप से. तो दैट इज हाउ यू कैन प्लान टू इन्वेस्ट इन एनी कंपनी. फर्स्ट डिसाइड वेदर इट इज गुड और बैड, फिर उसके बाद यू कैन गो एंड सी क्या हो रहा है कंसोलिडेशन में. वेट फॉर द कंसोलिडेशन टू ब्रेक आउट. क्यों वेट करना है? क्योंकि कंसोलिडेशन के बाद ऊपर जाना जरूरी नहीं है. जैसे टाइटन है, ये टाइटन इंडस्ट्रीज जैसे है, ये कंसोलिडेट हुआ, उसके बाद ये नीचे भी गिरा है. तो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि कंसोलिडेशन के बाद ऊपर जाएगा तो कंसोलिडेट हो रहा है खरीद लो. नहीं, हमको वेट करना है कि ये किस तरफ ऊंट किस तरफ करवट बदलता है, उसके बाद हमको अपना पैसा डालना है. कंसोलिडेशन के ऊपर जाता हम टाइटन खरीद लेते हैं. अभी हमारे पास, हमने खरीदा भी नहीं, हमारा दिल भी नहीं दुखा, नीचे चला गया, कोई बात नहीं, बढ़िया है, जब ऊपर जाकर खरीदेंगे.
1 या 2 दिन वेट करना चाहिए.
कंसोलिडेशन ब्रेक करने का वेट करना चाहिए. कंसोलिडेशन है, कंसोलिडेशन के ब्रेक होने का, ब्रेक मतलब कंसोलिडेशन के ऊपर निकलने का वेट करना चाहिए मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से. जैसे कंसोलिडेशन है, इसके ऊपर अगर अपन ये जाता है टाइटन, तो हम खरीद लेते हैं. अगर अभी नीचे चला गया तो हम नहीं खरीदेंगे. जैसे बीडीएल का बहुत बढ़िया एग्जांपल है. इससे बढ़िया एग्जांपल अभी अपने इसमें है नहीं. जैसे ये है, देखिए कंसोलिडेशन हुआ, पूरे टाइम वेट करो, जब इसका हाईएस्ट हाई ब्रेक हुआ खरीद लो. अब यहां से यहां तक आपका पोर्टफोलियो भी ग्रीन में दिखेगा, अच्छा भी लगेगा मन को कि हमारा पोर्टफोलियो। वही अगर हम यहाँ खरीदते तो हम 4-5 महीने इंतजार ही करते रहते। उसकी बजाय जब ये कंसोलिडेशन इसने तोड़ा तब हमने खरीदा तो अच्छा भी लगा, प्रॉफिट भी दिख रहा है।
1 या 2 दिन का वेट कर सकते हैं हम कंसोलिडेशन ब्रेक करने के बाद, देन वी कैन बाय।
नहीं, अगर ये जैसे हाई ब्रेक करता है थोड़ा सा खरीद लीजिए, फिर थोड़ा और ऊपर जाता है थोड़ा और खरीद लीजिए।
सेम डे या 1 दिन वेट करना चाहिए?
1-2 दिन वेट करके, जैसे कंसोलिडेशन तोड़ा थोड़ा सा खरीदा, फिर 1-2 दिन वेट करके अगर फिर भी ऊपर जा रहा है तो खरीद लिया।
ट्रेंड अपवर्ड से यदि है, ट्रेंड अपवर्ड से तो वी कैन बाय।
हाँ, करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट।
थैंक यू सो मच।
And Samir, how do we know if something is entering consolidation, Avinash here?
Entering
And when to sell?
consolidation, the best thing is to know via Ichimoku. In my experience, Ichimoku indicator is there, which is the best in my knowledge, in my experience so far, which tells in advance when the stock is entering into consolidation.
Okay, Ichimoku.
So that I cover in my advanced program, like master class and all. I cover Ichimoku. It's a very, very advanced indicator. It was developed in 1936. So it's not that I have developed or something. It is available for everyone in the world since 1960s. It's a 60-year-old tool, but in my experience, I have gone through RSI, MACD, everything. As per my experience, it is the best tool. It clearly tells when it is going to enter into consolidation or whether it is in consolidation or not. Okay, yeah, so I'll take the last question and then we can end. You all are in the group. If you're not in the group, send me a WhatsApp. I'll add you in my group. Yeah. Yes,
So when will the classes be starting, sir?
Sorry?
Classes, when it will be starting?
I'll take possibly free classes. I'll take again restart on every Wednesday. I'll take one topic and teach. That will be free. My master class, which is a paid class, I'll start sometime around 15 days from now, something like that. 15-20 days from, yeah.
Yes, sir. And Biocon, I wanted to know, sir.
Biocon, yeah, it made a triangle. See, it's a weekly, so interesting. Okay, so see, Biocon, this is a daily chart. If we look at the weekly chart, it is in consolidation. Correct.
Yes,
so this is in consolidation. If we draw a triangle, it is something like that. This is forming. It broke the triangle. It broke the consolidation. It is moving up. I think I have uploaded the video also on Biocon, right?
Yes.
So this is the consolidation and this is the triangle. So it is likely to move from here to here. Whatever is the consolidation width, it is likely like 190 to 300. So around 130 points, right? So it is likely to move up from here 300 to 400. It is likely to go up. Possibility. So this has come out of the consolidation. So it has a possibility of going till 400. Then again, it might consolidate for some time.
Okay, fine. Yes.
I have also bought. Whatever I am sharing in the YouTube upload, I also buy. I don't buy previously. Whenever it is happening, I share on the YouTube and that time I also buy. So I'm putting my skin in the game. So if you lose money watching my YouTube, I am also losing money. You can be rest assured.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So masterclass will start after 15-20 days. I'll share in the group. If you're in my financial fitness group, I'll declare whenever I'm starting my masterclass. I'll give complete details of masterclass, what I am covering, what are the dates, everything I'll cover and I'll share in the group.
Okay.
Okay then. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for spending 3 hours with me. I hope everyone learned something interesting, something new with which they can start their journey towards earning money. And I hope and I pray to universe that everyone earns a lot of money in stock market. With that, we come to the end of this session. Thanks a lot. Keep attending my sessions and watching YouTube uploads in coming days. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.